5 ways to grow green beans at pot or polybag with easy for beginners. Green beans or ijo beans, and known as Latin Paeacealus radiatus L, are leguminous pod plants that have erect or semi-erect stems with an altitude between 30 cm to 110 cm. Stems are green, brownish-brown, or purple and have a round and feathery shape. Green bean pods are cylindrical in length ranging from 6 cm to 15 cm. Young pods are green and after dark or brown. In one pod there are about 5 to 16 grains of seed. The seeds are generally dull green or glossy green, but those are yellow, brown, and black. To cultivate green beans or plant green beans does not need large area. You can plant green beans using polybag or planting pot, even you can use bottle aqua or mineral water bottle. Here is how to cultivate or how to plant green beans in polybags or pots. 1. Preparing seeds of green beans. Green pea seeds can be obtained from buying seeds at a farm shop or ISA, also by doing their own breeding. If the seeds have been obtained, the seedlings must go through the process of inoculation or sterilizatio of seeds from microorganisms or fungi first for about a week. 2. Preparation of planting media. While waiting for the seeds ready to plant, prepare first our media that aka use. Planting media that need to be prepared, i.e. land, manure and charcoal husk. Combine the 3 ingredients with a ratio of 1 to 1 to 1 evenly. The use of chaff, charcoal and manure serves as a provider of nutrients in soil and plant nutrients. If the soil used as a growing medium has more than 6 phase, sprinkle dolomite to degrade the acidity of the soil. 3. Planting green beans in polybag or pot. If the planting media is ready, then enter the planting media into pots or polybags up to 70% part. After that, plant as much as 1 seed of green beans that have been through the process of inoculation on each polybag as deep as 2 cm, and then cover the top with the media, planting again without solidified. Also prepare seedlings embroidery that is used as a replacement seed if there is a green bean plant that died or grow perfectly until 2 weeks. 4. Green bean plant care in pot. Green beans grown in pots or polybags should be placed in direct sunlight. Treatments performed on these green beans include: do watering regularly as much as 2 times a day, that is in the morning and evening, but the watering is done just enough not to be inundated. Weeding. After 1 to 2 weeks of planting, weed the weeds or other disturbing plants that grow around the green bean plants in pots so that the nutrients needed for the growth of green beans do not compete. B. Subsequent fertilization. Subsequent fertilization is done 1 month after planting. Fertilization occurs but using manure or using fertilizer NPK with a given dose on each polybag planting, that is half a head. 5. Green peanut period. Peanut harvest period is different depending on the variety. But generally, the peanut harvest period is about 58 to 65 days. Green bean pods ready for harvest have dry skin and are brown to black. If the harvest is late, then the pod will break and the seeds will be thrown out. Harvesting of green beans is done by plucking by hand or cutting it with a knife or sharp scissors. Similarly, a video about 5 ways to grow green beans in pot or polybag with easy for beginners. Hopefully this video is useful for all of us. Follow our next post at 18 o'clock Western Indonesia time. See you soon and thank you.